you can't go in low speed. If you force it into low speed, the aircraft will give you a warning and will take you to a safe position. If you are facing ground and you don't react on the warning, the aircraft will fly you to a safe position.
Okay, so there is a AI.
You can say that.
मतलब ये this is unimaginable. Is this real, or you're just
This is absolutely real.
But how can a flight take decisions by own? The pilot is the one who will take decision.
Warning, 590.
The pilot do take the decision, but with support from the system. So we have a very powerful decision support system. So there's a lot of information handled to the pilot, and there's a lot of decisions that has to be made, and then the system can help you out to make the right decision.
Can I take the seat?
Yeah, sure.
वैसे तो कह रहे हैं कि ये अपने आप खुद ही डिसीजन ले लेता है. आइए देखते हैं, क्योंकि मज़ेदार होने वाला है ये. I have my shoes.
Yeah, sure. Just stand here and then you can slide down. Men då tar vi det från, we'll take you from takeoff then.
Yes.
Yeah, we're starting right.
So ये जो है ये ग्रिपेन का फ्लाइट सिमुलेटर है, और कंपनी का दावा ये है, पहले सुन लीजिए इस बात को ताकि आपको इस वीडियो में और भी ज़्यादा इसको देखने में मज़ा आए, कि अगर पायलट रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करता है तो ये फाइटर जेट अपने आप ही रिस्पॉन्स करेगा और उसको सेफ प्लेस पे ले जाएगा. यू टोल्ड मी दैट इट विल रिस्पॉन्स ऑटोमेटिकली. देयर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ AI. यू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन मेकर something software.
Decision support system. Yes.
Okay. How it works? First tell me about that.
The decision support system it's depending on the situation, but
Okay.
you make so many decisions, but how to make the best decision, the aircraft can help you out and giving the information you need to make the right decision,
Okay.
the right information at the right time.
Okay. So let's start it.
Okay. Right hand on the stick,
Okay. Right.
left hand on the throttle.
Okay.
And this is how you fly the aircraft.
And
We call it hutas, hands on throttle and stick, and you can have your hand there all the time. So all system functions can be handled in this position.
Okay.
So you don't have to let go of the thrust or the stick. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is the first time in Gripen.
Yes. First
I'm
time.
going to show you how easy it is. So full throttle. And now we have the first support here. You can see the speed, and here you can see a mark, and that means now it's time to rotate. So pull the stick gently backwards. Just gently. Perfect. And now we're airborne. Perfect.
ये मैं तो कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ. कौन कर रहा है इसको? Left right. ये मैं ही कर रहा हूँ.
And you can feel the stick is extremely sensitive, so it's just small
Yes.
movements.
Yes.
Now you can see the head-up display, all the information you need to keep track of your...
Okay. What if I want to increase the speed?
If you want to increase speed,
Yes.
you are increasing speed right now.
Okay.
And if you want to increase even more,
Okay.
we stop the climb and go to level. And now you are passing Mach
Mach 1.
1.0. So now you are supersonic.
Okay.